10 normal, basic adjectives and advanced adjectives to describe food. 1. Normal, tasty. Advanced, delectable, savory. 2. Normal, spicy. Advanced, piquant, zesty. 3. Normal, sweet. Advanced, luscious, ambrosial. 4. Normal, fresh. Advanced, crisp, pristine. 5. Normal, hot. Advanced, scorching, fiery. 6. Normal, rich. Advanced, decadent, sumptuous. 7. Normal, creamy. Advanced, silken, velvety. 8. Normal, juicy. Advanced, succulent, hydrating. 9. Normal, tender. Advanced, melt in your mouth, supple. 10. Normal, fluffy. Advanced, pillowy, airy. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!